You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a flowchart that illustrates how to calculate sum of squares of a given number. So let's go into it. Very quickly, I would just go to your browser and type www.smartdraw.com to take you to a page like this, something similar to this. So I want to show you the tool I actually made use of in drawing my flowcharts. So it will take you to something like this. So we'll just want to be making use of it to draw a flowchart. So because of that, we'll not be buying it. We are going to use the free aspect of it. So you click on my document to take you to something like this. Then you can just come and do that. You could do smart draw. So just come and look for flowchart, just type it and enter to bring you to many charts. Then you can click on flowchart. So it will open a page like this. So this is where we are going to be drawing our flowchart. So we are going to be drawing the flowchart that illustrates how to calculate or write a program that calculates or that illustrates sum of squares of a given number. So we are going to be starting. Of course, we know what these tools are and these shapes are. This one actually represents starts or end of a program. Yeah. So this one is actually a process flow of a program. This is for input and output of a program. That is, if you want maybe a user to input a number, so this is what you're going to use. Then this one is what you use for decision and calculation. Yeah. So let me just leave those ones out. They are majorly what we are going to be needing. So what you do is this. So we've started with start. So you come over here. The next thing you're going to be doing is that we'll take the next tool, which is process. So process, we are calculating. So you have to remember what you're doing. We are calculating the sum of squares of a given number, right? So let's assume the number we are looking for is, let's equate it to 0. Let's say I is equals to, which is the value that the user will be entering, is equals to, let's initiate it to 0. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to ask the user for the particular value, right? So what we're doing is ask the user for the particular value. So this particular bus called a parallelogram actually is for input and output. So we'll say I, that is input I, right? So the next thing we are going to do is to do our decision, calculate now. So we are calculating and we are saying, okay, calculate for us the number which we were looking for, number which we've said for now, it will start from 0, right? So we are going to say num is equals to num plus, I'll still explain the calculation for us, I multiplied by what? By I. Then you can now close the bracket. So this is just normal mathematics. What is actually saying is that num, which we've set to be 0, is equals to num, which in this place now, in this point is 0, plus I, which the user has entered. So let's assume the user entered 2. It will now be 2 times 2, right? Which is equals to 4. Isn't it? Yeah. So if that is the case, it will go down. We'll now say it should do what? We'll tell it to print. So we are going to tell it to output. So tell it to print. We tell it to print. But if the user decides to open and enter another number, what do we do? So we are going to pick another. So pick another one to make the user, so that if the user enters another number, so it can now loop through this place and go like this. So let's use another arrow to denote this. So sometimes this arrow can be difficult, a little bit difficult to draw. Let's go and see. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I think we are getting it right. Yep. So this is it. So the next thing we are going to do is what? To uh come down and say stop. So down here, we put stop over here. So as simple as that. At the end of the day, you can just come here and so that's all. We've already gotten our answer. So you can just come here and possibly make it more artistically beautiful. You can maybe change this color to, you can do it as you like. I'm just trying to show us to maybe let's assume we want to change it to green. So this one too will be green, right? So let's say this one, we'll leave it this color. Let's assume we want to change this one to, let's say blue. So this one is blue. So it means this one as well will be blue, right? Okay, yeah, this one will be blue. So let's assume this one, we want to change this one to, let's say this color here. Good. So as you can see, it's looking beautiful, right? So how do we, now how do we go ahead and print, or how do we go ahead and get what we've done? So very quickly, and as a reminder, please, if you know this is your first time in coming to my channel, quickly go and like the video, subscribe, and if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will attend to your question. And if you want me to create another video, maybe you want me to create another video that illustrates the pseudocode, I can do that. Just let me know in the comment section. But very importantly, make sure you subscribe to the video and then make sure you like the video as well. It will help other people to see the videos that I'm making. So, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, yeah. So this is perfect and beautiful, right? So the next thing we are going to do to get it now is we just need to, we can't actually come here and they will ask you to buy it if you want to print it out from here or you want to export it. So if you want to export, let's assume you want to export to PDF. So it will ask you to buy, right? So let's just continue. What you just do is you come here and then you go to your system. I'm actually using Windows 11, but it works in other Windows. Just go to your Windows and type and look for sniping tools. You can just search sniping. So sniping tool will come out. So it will open like this. So you come here and click new. You come here and click new. So it has taken the picture. It has snapped it actually. So it might be different from other maybe Windows 2010 or it will uh, lesser Windows. You need to, when you click on snapping tools and you click on new, you need to come and drag it to where you want to screenshot. But this one will screenshot all the screen automatically. So what I'll just do is to crop. I'll just come here and click crop. You see where I click crop here? Somewhere here. Let me do that again. So this place, you click crop. Then you come here and take it like this wherever you want it to be. And then you take this one wherever you want it to be. Simple as that. You click OK. Pardon, it's like I clicked the wrong thing. You click OK. What's going on? This is not supposed to be ruler. Sorry, I'm trying to. So you click OK, and then that is it. So what you needed to do is just come and click save here. As you can see here, you click save. It will ask you wherever you want to put it in your system. If you want to put it in document, you can click document, and then you give it a name. Maybe you can say flow chart. So simple as that. So we've been able to draw a flowchart that shows how to calculate sum of squares. Thank you very much. Just leave your comment in the comment section. I will make sure I answer to each and every comment. Thank you and God bless.